Hello everyone, this is Ava. Yeah, you want more of that? Hello everyone, this is Ava. We rescued her last night. She's the one that was thrown away in a cardboard box in the middle of nowhere. And even though I looked during the day, I couldn't find her. She was actually sitting beside the box when I went there last night. About 1 year old, young cat, nursing, and she's the exception to the rule here. Usually kittens are thrown away without a mother. Next to mine, mothers with babies, and Ava's the exception. She's thrown away without her kittens. You see, she's a lovely, lovely tame cat. She's actually running after me at the place where we found her. Very, very tame, because she spent the whole day on her own and was desperate to stay with somebody when she was found. Stay there, Ava. Who's that, huh? Hello. Hello. Come on. Hello. Hello, pet. Come on. Hello. Hello. Here, pet. Mom. Here, pet. Come on. Come on. Oh, you like that? Oh, there's a skinny one, ain't you, huh? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come back. Come on. Hang on. Come on. Come on. Hey, look. Yeah. Yeah, you want more of that? Hang on.
Now, Pat, look. Oh. What's wrong? Hello. Oh, you afraid I'll leave you alone? I'm trying to make sure you've no babies here. Did you leave babies somewhere? Or were they nicked off you? Huh? Huh? No, let's go back up here, yeah? Yeah? Good girl, yeah?